Massage therapy. Introduction. Massage therapy can cure cancer.
Select true or false.
Correct. Massage therapy cannot cure cancer. Cancer patients who want a massage should check with their doctor first. Massage therapy always reduces back pain.
Select true or false.
Correct. Not all people experience the same benefits from massage therapy. People with a heart disease cannot have massage therapy.
Select true or false.
Correct. People with heart disease should check with their doctor first. Sometimes massage therapy is okay for these people. Why do people usually get a massage?
Choose one of the following options. 1.
To reduce muscle tension and relax.
2.
To fight acute infections.
3.
To treat severe pain. Correct. Most people use massage to loosen stiff, sore muscles and to relax. Massage therapy is generally very safe.
Select true or false.
Correct. Massage therapy is very safe. Massage therapists cannot diagnose medical conditions.
Select true or false.
Correct. Massage therapists are not licensed to diagnose medical conditions or prescribe medications.
It is normal for a therapist to massage the gluteal muscles of the buttocks during a massage.
Select true or false.
Correct. Many patients visit a massage therapist for back pain. The buttocks are the largest muscles in the body. They support the back. Massaging them can help release muscle tension related to lower back pain. However, some patients are not comfortable with it and may ask the therapist not to massage the gluteal muscles. It is best to drink plenty of water after a massage session.
Select true or false.
Correct. Water seems to help clean toxins out of the muscles.
Thank you for using Explain.